Honestly, nigga, I don't know what the fuck you got going on right now that you don't got time to answer the phone. But you got me fucked up. I'm trying to be real patient right now. So I'm gonna give you 2 seconds and then we gonna see what's up.
I can't take no more of what you talking about. You walked out the door. We ain't talking now. I don't wanna know what you stressing about. Boy, don't stress me out. I can feel the tension, boy, the switch up something crazy. Nothing's into something's, man, you do this on a daily. Take my words and mix them up, then acting like I'm shady. Boy, don't play me. Why you started fighting with me like I ain't your baby? Make me feel real anxious cause your attitude's been changing. You being a different you and I'm being the same me. Boy, that's crazy. I can't take no more of what you talking about. Please walk out the door. I'm not talking now. I don't want to know what you doing to me. We'll find out we don't gotta talk about
Oh yeah.
मासा नहीं डर दे
कितने हैं मैंने नहीं
भज गया मासा नहीं डर दे
अच्छा साडा मतलब चेक इन इन्होंने रेडी किया होया सी
और कहंदा साडे दूजे बंदे
अच्छा ਉਹ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੀਚ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਨਾ Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Sakirat reporting live from Tulum. If you guys haven't already seen on my Instagram stories, well, I'm here, me and this beer for this weekend in Tulum, Mexico. And you know what, first of all, let me get out of this hoodie because it is hot here. So a little story time. We flew in here, our flight was at about 8 a.m. got here at about 1:20. We flew in to from Newark to Cancun, and from Cancun we had a drive of about one and a half hour to Tulum. And since then we've been waiting for our room. I'm not trying to sound cranky, but this is how the trip has started, right babe? Yep. And it's about 3:30 now. No, it's about 3:52, 4 o'clock now, and finally we have our room ready. I'm so excited because honestly so we booked a suite because this is kind of our first holiday away and we wanted to make it extra special, and the room looks super cute. Well, we have someone on the door. I'll get you back. Okay, sorry we got interrupted, but I'm trying to vlog. Okay, sorry, I got interrupted. Someone one of the bellboys came in to drop our luggage. Anyhow guys, the room is amazing. I'm in love with it, and I'm gonna I almost smashed my camera into the door. Okay, anyhow, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. So this is the entrance door. You walk in and you have a huge cupboard. I'm so happy with the space they've given us to keep all our stuff. And then you walk in straight. This is the bathroom. I love the she and him sinks. I love the two sinks. And then we have a tub, which I assume is with a view. I'm gonna check maybe later on and update you guys then. And then we have the shower situation over here, and then this is where you walk into our room. So it's a pretty big room, to be honest. I love the space that they've given us, and the couch. This is some decor they have here. I don't know who is this, to be honest. Looks super scary to me, but yeah. And I like this vintage kind full length mirror. It's gonna be handful when I'm trying to record an OOTD for you guys on my Instagram. And then this is our view. We have a little balcony out here, and this is where they're gonna do, I guess, the fireworks at around 9. Let's see. I'm gonna update you guys later on. As of now, the plan is we are gonna quickly take a shower or freshen up because we've been in our airport clothes since 5 a.m. We need to shower, get ready, not ready, but yeah, get into nice swimsuits or something, and then head to the beach and pool. I'm gonna take you guys along and update you whatever we guys are up to, but I'm so excited. Do you have the keys? Okay, finally all ready, and we are going to the pool and then maybe to the beach. I have this Frankie's bikini on, just put on some lipper, my sunnies obviously, and we're all set to go.
Doing it fresh. Jai, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਈ ਬਾਹਰ ਵਾਲੇ
हाँ मेरा foggy हो रहा है. Oh my god, it's getting humid.
humid.
Okay, let me go. Get. Just got outside to the pool area, and the music's pretty loud. Oh my god, my screen keeps getting foggy. It's pretty humid, to be honest, here. Excuse me, where can I get the towels from? Fresh towels. Oh, there? Okay, thank you. Quickly gonna go get some towels and then we jump into the pool. It is honestly pretty packed. I wish I could show you guys more around, but there's so many people naked here and I don't want to expose anyone. But here's what's in front of me currently. And this is what the property looks like. On that side we have the beach.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I see you contemplating. I can see it in your eyes. You don't care for me, baby. I don't know why I'm surprised. I understand how I went too far, but you went around and played with my heart. Oh, please, why would you do that to me? I'm feeling nervous.
Acha. And what about that? What are those marks for?
That ਉੱਤੋਂ ਗਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣਾ.
For people who are swimming? Even if the waves take them, nobody can stop.
What do you mean?
Like the waves, if someone's swimming out there and the high tide or something comes and the waves take that person there, nothing's gonna stop.
ਮਰ ਗਿਆ.
Yeah.
ਉਹ ਲੱਗੇ ਆ ਜਸ ਕੋਈ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਬੋਟ ਉੱਤੋਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ.
But I guess they only have snorkeling for water games, right? Yeah. I only saw snorkeling. Now out for dinner. The lighting isn't that great here, but we're here for Mexican food tonight, and I've shot a quick get ready with me. If it isn't already up, I guess I'll upload it next week, but if it is, I will link it down below. This is what I'm wearing. I love this dress because my darling husband actually picked it for me. This is the Mexican restaurant that they have. हाँ वो तो दूजी है फिर केड़ी दी गल करते हो Hello, hello, good morning everybody. It is our second day in Tulum, and I guess this is going to be, ooh, it's humid outside. I'll have to clean you guys. Hold up. Okay, so there was a mini storm earlier in the morning, and as you can see, there are clouds coming in even right now. It's so humid. Okay, that was a fail. I don't know, every time I'm trying to take you guys out, it is fogging up my screen and I can't show it to you. So I'm gonna try and show it from my room. It is actually pretty nice outside for me, but the fact that it's gonna get cloudy again and rain, it's disappointing. And what we are planning to do, it is just about what? It is about 7:56 as of now, and we are planning to go downstairs. Yeah, we are planning to go downstairs, get ourselves a coffee or tea, let's see what the mood's all about, and then head to the beach. I am wearing this bikini from Frankie's. I believe I got it from Frankie's, and I'm in love with it. It's so beautiful, but I'm gonna use a cover up because I don't want to walk like this all throughout the hotel. I have this kaftan which I'm gonna just put it on, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I believe we need to get our COVID test done too today, because going back to the States we would require it, so we need to sort that situation too. Okay, all ready to go. This is what I'm wearing, and earlier bikini is down, so let's go. Ready? They're on the desk. Do you want to get the room cleaned?
Huh?
Do you want to get the room cleaned? Or no? Okay. It came outside, so that's why I left it. Why is it sad?
One and two.
1 and 2? So that means like 2 spots they had? First 2 spots? Oh my god.
First 2 spots.
FYI, he's a lot into F1 and that's what we are discussing about. Yeah. Chances of winning?
Chances of winning are much higher. And then in Monaco, it's like 90% they win.
Really?
Monaco, they win.
But still, they're not going to lose on their positions though. Even if they just, you know, they'll reschedule. Oh, there's no race? Oh, they don't reschedule it? That's crazy. Baby, come here. Come. Where are you going? No, it's just 8:30. I thought we'll go towards the swing. Yeah, I told you. Oh my god, she's already taken. So they have a swing here which faces towards the beach. Yeah. So I honestly want to go there and get some pictures done because it looks so aesthetically pleasing. And there's a couple right in front of us. We're gonna try and make them move so that you guys can move and get some pictures over there. Also, we haven't done much. I guess they're done. Yeah, maybe they were doing their own couple. Let's see.
Did you do this on purpose? How could you love me for all this time? Then one night just change your mind.
No, you don't want to find out about going to the ruins and oh sorry, if we take the tour, what all is included.
Yeah, okay.
है ना? वैसे सारा. Oh, we just got over with our COVID test, and now we're all free. We were actually pretty stressed about this because we can't get late with our report, or either it's gonna be trouble while boarding the flight. So yeah, that part is done, and now we are just gonna go find out what all other activities we can do here around Tulum. And it did rain and it's got really mushy, to be honest, and wet everywhere, but I changed my outfit again because I wanted to shoot this look for my Instagram, and that's pretty much. So let's go to the main lobby and find out what we get up to. What do you want to do?
Go to the city.
City? Do you want to do the historical part or what?
Yeah, the ruins, the whole city.
You know what is Mama telling me? She's like, Beta, please don't get into shopping. She's like, please venture around. I was like, okay, I'll try. Oh my god, this is the first one I'm seeing. Okay, here's our little friend. You call them iguana? Iguana. It's practically a big lizard, and as of now I've seen so many. Oh my god, I don't know how I feel about it. Look at the claws. Just came in for our breakfast, and I don't know, whatever I got, just a bit of nachos, sausages, and this bread. I guess it has egg on it, kind of like the salty version of French toast. And we honestly first we thought we'll go and take a shower, get dressed, and then come down, but it's almost around 10:30 and breakfast closes at 11, so we thought of coming here and take our breakfast first, and then we go into the room, take our... Okay, just got into our cab, and we plan to go into the ruins first and maybe do the city later. I don't know, I guess it's open only till 4 p.m. and the weather is fine now. Thankfully it's not raining, and I hope it doesn't, although it started to get a bit humid. Then earlier it was pleasant in the morning. Yes, so that's pretty much. We got changed, took a quick shower after our breakfast, and this is my outfit. I guess pretty much everything is from H&M. I'll try and do a proper OOTD for you guys. Where are your things from? Where is this one from?
Uniqlo.
Uniqlo. Pants.
J. Crew.
J. Crew. And Sperry's from?
Sperry.
Okay. And your bag?
Essentials.
Ooh. It's his favorite. His friends gifted it to him, and he honestly enjoys carrying them. For my bag, I am carrying my DKNY because from what I've heard, I have to be extra careful when we get into the city, especially there can be snatching and stuff, so I'm gonna use it as a sling than more carrying it on my side. Right, babe?
Dos personas van a la zona arqueológica, Parmita. En
I'll-
número, please.
102.
1002.
I love listening to them. I love listening them talk in Spanish. I feel super
Es que
alien.
lo dice muy rápido.
I
Lo dice muy
don't
rápido.
understand.
What's your number, room?
1002.
I don't understand all of it. I understand what? Okay, what are the words that I've learned? Senorita, I knew. Buenos. What? How do they do?
What's your name?
Sing.
Sing.
Das Beer Sing.
Sayrat?
Das Beer Sing. SINGS Sing.
Sing.
Yeah. Great. He knows Spanish better than me, I guess. You did study Spanish, right? For how long?
8 years.
8 years? Okay, so I would say he is more fluent than me, and I just say yes for everything, even though I don't understand it. Trying to be the polite Indian that I am, but I'm trying to get a catch of all the words that are most usually spoken to me, and especially, you know, when they're greeting. I honestly found the hospitality at our hotel very warm. How do you rate the hospitality?
It's okay.
Really?
Yeah, it's like maybe like a 5, 6.
Out of 10? Really? You've seen better?
Yeah.
the counters and pick stuff. So that's a lack. But second, if we talk to the employees, they're pretty cash though, right? And guys, one thing I love about this place is, okay, my husband is pretty pissed about the fact this place, I don't know why, legit looks like India to me. There are people on bikes which are like India. I saw a Maruti Suzuki Swift Desire here. If you're from India, you would understand what I'm talking about. So look at this. Right now, honestly, I feel like I am on a highway in India. Doesn't feel that abroad to me, but the resort is good. It's good. That's when you feel like you're somewhere far from home. And I'm excited to check out the ruins as well. Let's see. I don't actually know much about the history over here. It's gonna be exciting. Okay guys, we just got to the ruins and they gave us our badge, which is how we get the entry, and we have our tickets here. They say it's gonna be about 1.5 hours. Do you see the traditional people? I guess they're gonna do a performance in the background. It's so cool. Okay, so we're gonna go walk to the ruins. Gonna take us about an hour or so, and then to the reef. They're gonna take us via a boat. Oh my god, he's holding it. Guys, do you remember the lizard thing I was showing you earlier? He's holding it. I would never have the guts to hold it. Oh, they have ATVs here. Okay, this place looks interesting. I shall keep you posted as and when we make progress. Right now, we're pretty much just walking. It's gonna be a long walk.
I'm lost for words. I did you right. You can't deny it. You did the work. You did the work. That shit's absurd. That shit's absurd. And then I cry and cry and cry, and I don't know why, oh why, oh why. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do to deserve this? Why can't I prove? Why can't I prove? Why can't I prove that I'm worth it? I know I'm not, no. I know I'm not, no. I know that I'm not perfect. And my heart was bruised. My heart was bruised. But you still just went on to hurt it. My heart is frozen and you only made it colder. But then you always wanna come back and start over. We've done this time and time and time and time again. You always end up claiming you just need a friend, and then you go and take my heart and you mistreat it, and then you throw it out like you.
We're gonna grab something to eat or drink, and then to the resort. Let's see. It was honestly such a good experience. I would recommend this to everyone. The snorkeling pipe, it was great. Everybody was using the same.
We never needed. I didn't think I'd ever see this as our end. See this as our end. And what did I do? What did I do? What did I do to deserve this? Why can't I prove? Why can't I prove? Why can't I prove that I'm worth it? I know I'm not, no.
Oh man, I am so tired. It was so exhausted. The entire trip to the city. I guess we left at around what, 11, came back here at what, 5. It's almost 5 o'clock now, and finally we are in our room. Please don't judge all the mess that we've created. Yes, we are one of those who create mess It went in a hotel room because the best part is you don't have to clean it. Okay, sounds mean, but I'm just kidding. Okay, so it's about 5 p.m. now and the sun is finally behind the clouds, not totally setting. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! Look at this. I don't know if it. Oh my god. You guys can't see it. It's like so many moths all over. Oh my god. I don't know why the camera cannot pick it, but it's legit full. The sky is filled with them. Oh my god. Okay, good that we aren't outside. Oops, super zoomed in. Okay. So now the plan is I'm gonna just, you know, take a quick shower, then go eat something. Baby, come here. Look what's all outside. Ha dekho. What is it? Moths?
They're like it looks like moths, yeah.
Yeah, and they're all coming from that direction.
Oh, they're not the out actually.
Yeah. Oh my god. You know, I can actually feel sand and salt. Yeah. Okay. Quickly gonna shower.
Yeah.
And then we go to eat something. Oh my god, you're tanned. You're tanned. No, you're tanned.
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, wow. It's crazy. Okay. Okay, all ready. And this is my outfit. We quickly took a shower and now we are heading towards Sea Grill. That's where we have that's where they do all the, what do I call it, grill seafood style food, and it's actually open till like 6 only. So thankfully we have some time on hand, and since we leave tomorrow we won't be able to try this place again because it opens after 2. Only a couple of hours that they do it. So we're gonna go try that. I'm so excited. I really want to have some good prawns and crabs. And yeah, so, and the weather's also gone really nice now. It's not sunny anymore, and we'll just go and eat some food now.
करके नींबू की पानी दे ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ।
What?
Okay, ਥੱਲੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਨਾ recommendations number 2 part.
What's that?
Urchin is this little sea creature in Nagoya, right? लोग उन्होंने खाते भी हैं,
Right.
but it's full of spikes.
Oh, so if you step on it.
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਪੈਰ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਇੰਨਾ spiky ਹੁੰਦਾ।
I would rather than wear something on my feet and then go, yeah.
That's why people are going to the water, and that's why we kept seeing so many people with those water shoes.
Yeah.
Is karke hona.
Yeah. They're selling so many of them too.
मैं सोच रहा मैं like even Cabo de seaweed सीगा तो लोग की फिर भी जानते सीगे।
Yeah.
और की
No, this beer, I feel here the weather is also not like, I don't know, I feel like right now the weather is, you could be in a pool and satisfied, and plus obviously look at the seaweed in front. Oh baby, that's like way too much. But do you think this is like throughout the year?
seaweed.
Yeah. Seasonal.
इन्नी नहीं हो सकती all year.
So we are currently just sitting by the beach. We get our report at about let me check. Okay, we get our report in almost half an hour, and we've already eaten. My belly's like all out. I can't even think of going into the pool because I feel fat. So we are gonna just sit here and enjoy the view.
I saw
the weather is, as
the
you can see, the
wind
clouds
bent
are all out,
over,
and it's honestly
and
so
I was afraid for no reason at all. The wind can't move my weight. I'm safe. The rationale's not working for me. These normal things get scary without you. like the movies you never see. Squeezing me, peeking out at the TV. And I'm young right now, won't put my feet up. I miss my own for a chance I dreamed
Just
of.
found an outdoor gym here. This place is so lit. I'm gonna try and do a little bit of workout here. I mean, the weights are so cute. Look at them, they're made from wood. Oh man, I feel strong today. This is so cool. Okay, so the good news is we are negative. Happy. Oh, that's this beer and Securet in Tulum. Das beer is following Securet.
Except he doesn't have a camera.
Hey, that's mean. That's mean. Okay, so finally we guys got our report. We are negative, so that means no more guilt of being in an open pool with everybody. Just kidding, don't take that seriously. But yeah, now the plan is
Chill by the pool.
chill by the pool, just like the man said. It's better this way. I honestly love these walks that we have all throughout our resort. There are rooms on either side and you just keep going straight. That's where our room is, just by the beach, but it's beautiful. And all this is actually the forest, which isn't untouched. If you see those branches, they're like crazy, going everywhere. This beer, look at this tree, it's actually out. Oh my god. So yeah, this is all natural. They did not touch it apart from constructing things nearby. But yeah, so we're gonna go chill by the pool, then get dressed for our dinner. So tomorrow morning is like our last morning. So this was actually our last full day here in Mexico. We did not have a lot of time here. We actually wanted to do something really small because someone doesn't have time for us.
You.
No. Hey, I started a job. I'm supposed to be regular. You're supposed to motivate me, isn't it? Okay. I feel bad for him because he's a little camera shy and I keep pointing it all on him. It's gonna take a while he gets all easy with it. But meanwhile, I'm gonna tell you guys whatever we guys are up to, and pretty much that. Sorry, there are people passing and I do not know what to say. So I'm just gonna cut the story short. We are going to the pool, like I said 1,000 times, and after that get dressed, go to the where were we going for dinner? Oh yeah, that's where they have like Pan Asia, Japanese, Chinese cuisines. Pretty excited for that. And guys, oh my god, the dinner that we had last night, the Mexican food, it was so good, something I haven't had honestly, because I've tried the Mexican back in India, and even the one I've tried in America is pretty okay, but this was different from the usual, right? It wasn't all like about tacos and burritos. It was pretty different, so I enjoyed that. Okay, see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna keep this and come from there. It's so good here, guys. Although now I'm gonna put you guys away and have a good time. So see you guys. Oh my god, we were just in the water swimming and it started to rain. It's so nice. It's kind of like the storm that came in. We were talking about it all day. But it's so good to be out here. There are some people still swimming, but it's crazy. Okay, so I am pretty much ready for the night. Just last few touches. I just want to fix my eyebrows. I don't know, I feel my eyebrow lady actually made them very thin this time, more than my natural eyebrows are. So I'm gonna try and draw them a bit so that they look like they actually were. Apart from that, now as I told you guys earlier, the plan is to go for dinner, and we're going for Japanese, Chinese, Spanish, yeah. And they do have some events happening at the resort later in the night. Not sure if and which we will attend, because since it's our last night, we pretty much want to just chill by ourselves and not be bothered, because we've got a hang of what all to expect from here. I don't have a headband, so I'm using my sunglasses just to make my hair sleek back. They're all wet. I took a head shower. Since I told you earlier, I had all sea salt sand in my hair and it was eking me out. And this is how my dress looks like. So if you guys remember, or if you guys have seen my Zara haul, I got this dress recently. And yeah, let me show you the full look. I am thinking of wearing my Dior sandals that I got, but not sure if I will. And this is how the dress looks like. Please don't mind the lighting here. It's not the best for shooting, but kind of does the work for me. Right now, Dasby's just trying to log in for our flights. He's trying to make an early check-in if possible, check our seats, upload our COVID report on it, and then we should be good to go. I guess our driver's gonna pick us at around 12 o'clock for taking us to the airport. And yeah, that's pretty much. It's last few hours in Mexico. Good morning. We woke up about half an hour back. Yeah, we woke up like half an hour back, just being lazy. But now it's about 7-ish something, and we leave for the airport around 12. And now we're gonna get up. Honestly, I'm gonna stop being lazy. Check out the weather. I woke up earlier just to use the restroom and it was raining, but now it looks like it isn't. Oh my god. Okay, it's just like yesterday, to be honest. Oops, you guys fogged out again. Let me clear it. Yeah, I think we've been very lucky with the weather. It was supposed to be a storm. I thought there was an iguana sitting over there. It freaked me out. Oh my god. Okay, so there was supposed to be a storm. You guys are still filming. Okay, so there was supposed to be a storm, and yesterday night I never vlogged. We went for Chinese, but I honestly had our last night here and I just wanted to make it super special, and I just wanted that the two of us should just enjoy each other's company. So yeah, now it's not raining, but it is windy. I guess I'm gonna change and quickly head to the beach, spend 1 or 2 hours there, then breakfast, and then head back home. So that's pretty much. So let's go to the beach.
The darkest moments, the silly horsing around, but the sound of my FaceTime doesn't wake you up. At midnight, I leave my room to get air. I go outside, I started walking, but I'm freaked out by the clouds that I'd hardly have noticed with you. Only a month Then I'm on a plane home, but you still at work.
Picked our morning coffee before the gym, before the beach. I went for a cappuccino, did a bit of cocoa and cinnamon on it, and then we just go to the beach.
Strike a balance that's painful. I won't ask for more of your time. You'd give it up and you always respect mine. So my ambition's second to you. If what matters takes our time, our priorities screwed. We just cycle through stages of life, do horizons arrive, or will the goalposts always constantly move?
Alright everybody, we are all packed and about to leave. It has honestly been a very good trip for the two of us, isn't it? Yes, we've had the time of our life. It was a very short escape for us. The experience hasn't been bad. It was a good experience, and the beach, the water, we've been so lucky with the weather. We've had great ambience, great staff, people have been helpful, and honestly I would come back but not soon. So if you guys are looking for Tulum, I would say you could check it out. What would you suggest?
It's worth it.
It's worth it, yeah. Especially if you're coming from States or Canada and you're looking for a very short escape, it's worth it. You should check this place out. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I shall see you next time. Maybe some other adventure that we get up to. Thank you so much.
Cause while I may be young right now, won't put my feet up. I miss my home for a chance I dreamed of. The darkest moments, the silly horsing around. I stay grounded because I know you leave it for me, like I would leave it for you. Don't wanna get to that place where I become what I do. You're the context of me, and cherry pick who I am when you're gone. So shook chameleon, tending to headstrong. I watch the storm roll over, and I was afraid for no reason at all. Where my loyalty is placed, I'm safe.